Right then, let's go. Too bad for it was a 2002, so we're talking 23-year-old Transit. It's not come up perfect, but the guy wasn't bothered about it being perfect. The owner wasn't bothered about it being perfect. He was more concerned about getting all the grub up and that. Lent it to someone or other and they made a right mess of it, so it hadn't come up bad for a 23-year-old work bus. It looks like it's had a bit of a tough life. So just got a call from a customer that's got a bit of double-sided tape from previous owner or reg plates. It's had an oversized plate on it or something or other. Let's get out of here. I didn't see that trailer on back of that. I do believe I've got an heat gun in here. I've got 2 heat guns, but I know one's in house and I don't know where the other is, but it's... This road is absolutely shocking. Oh, this is the worst junction ever, this. Oh, it's not even a junction, is it? Go on, lad, get yourself in there. Not all of us are being paid by hour. Oh, Nathan's there in a world of his own. It looks absolutely freezing. Oh, he's behind me. I wonder if he's going to file it. Oh, he's gone now. Oh no, he's there. He's still there. Oh, he's beeping his horn at me. See if he sees my AdSense. Treated myself to new side light bulbs anyway. Well, I thought I had a side light out, so I went to Alfred's and I treated myself to some of the LED ones. Anyway, I've got out, got home, I went to put them in, and both side lights are working, so I don't know if I've had a dream, just got up and gone straight to Alfred's to get some bulbs. And I must have done because I didn't have no side light bulbs out. Looked at connectors and that connectors are all fine, so... What the fuck is that moving about in back of there? Have I shut my doors? We're just pulling into filing now, so we'll have a look at this. We'll have a look at this Mercedes, and we'll see what's crack-a-lacking. That done anyway. Took 10 minutes or something. It wasn't too bad. Temperatures dropped back down to 0. Oh, not bad for a Monday 12:30. That'll do me. Get home and have some dinner because I am starving. I've got to go home and get some dinner. That's all for today, folks.